And finally this evening, the South African rand slipped on Thursday, trading at 18.34 to the US dollar amid concerns over US President Donald Trump's new tariffs on foreign vehicles and auto parts set to take effect April 3. Now, the dollar also weakened slightly. South Africa's February produce inflation eased to 1.0% year on year, while foreign direct investment saw an increase of 7.5 billion rand in Q4. Meanwhile, the Johannesburg Stock Exchange Top 40 Index dropped to 0.4%. Market analyst Mabinini Piri discusses the latest trends.
So the rand made modest gains in the early trade, supported by a slight pullback from the US dollar and improving risk sentiment in the global markets. Investors have been closely watching the domestic economic data, including the Reserve Bank's quarterly bulletin and the PPI numbers, both which were released today and could influence the rand's near-term pricing. The Reserve Bank's quarterly bulletin provided insights into the country's economic performance, including foreign direct investment and portfolio flows from the last quarter of 2024. The report highlighted South Africa's ongoing fiscal and economic challenges, with investors assessing whether structural weaknesses could weigh in on growth prospects for the country. While no major surprises emerged, the data reinforces the cautious outlook for the economy amid global uncertainties. Meanwhile, the PPI data was also released, showing that producer inflation eased slightly to 1% year on year in February, down from 1.1 rather in January. While the rand showed some resilience, it remains vulnerable to both domestic and external risks. Investors will continue monitoring economic indicators and global market trends to gauge the central bank's potential monetary policy stance in the coming months.